Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to cut a dress for a beginner. I'll be using this paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut a dress. Before you can cut your dress, you have to know your body measurement. You have to know your chest measurement, your waist measurement, and your hip measurement. If you know you can't take your own measurement by yourself, you can ask someone else to measure it for you. So that's how you are going to know your body measurement. For you to know how much fabric to fold, after measuring your body measurement, your hip measurement will be the biggest measurement. That will be the highest number. You are going to use your hip measurement to fold your fabric. Let's take for instance, if your hip measurement is 40 inches, so you will divide it by 4, which will give you 10. Then you will add 4 inches to it. That will make it to be 14 or 13 if you use 3 inches. So the weight of the paper pattern that I will be using today is 13 inches. This is 13 inches. Now you have to take your vertical measurement. First of all, we are going to mark an half an inch for the starting point. I'm going to mark a straight line across it. Now we are going to take our vertical measurement. The length of the pattern is 35 inches, so that will be the length of our dress. So the length is 35 inches, including sewing allowance. I'm going to take my vertical measurement, so I will mark 9 inches for my chest line, then 17 inches for the waistline, and I'm going to mark 25 inches for the hip. After doing that, I will mark a straight line across it. 9 inches for chest line, 17 inches for waist, and 25 inches for the hip. Now let me label it: chest line, waistline, and hip line. So this will be the length of our fabric. When done that, I'm going to take my shoulder. The shoulder we are working with is 16 divided by 2. That will give us 8 inches. So I'm going to mark my 8 inches here. This is my 8 inches. I'll mark my 8 inches. And I will mark my neck line. The neck width is 3 inches and the neck depth will be 3.5 inches. Now I'm going to connect my neck width and neck depth together. Having done that, I will mark 1 inch for the shoulder slope. 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Now connect it to the neck width. Now we are going to mark a straight line down to meet with the chest line. That will be our armhole line. The armhole is 8 inches. This is it. Now we are going to look for the midpoint. Coming by half an inch. And then we mark our bust line on the chest line. Bust measurement is 38 divided by 4. That will give us 9.5 inches. So you mark your 9.5 inches here. That's it. Having done that, connect your armhole line. After that, you are going to mark your waistline. The waistline is 39 inches. So 39 divided by 4, that's 9.75. So we are going to mark our 9.75 here. And we are going to mark the hip. The hip measurement is 40 inches. 40 divided by 4 is 10. We are going to mark 2 inches. So we mark 2 inches for the sewing allowance. You mark the same here for the sewing allowance. You mark here as well. Then you come down to the hem of your fabric. Remember, we mark 10 inches there. So whatever you have here, you are going to transfer it here. Then you mark 2 inches extra as well. We are done with our measurement. So the next thing is to connect the line together. I'm going to connect the line together from chest line to the waistline. And you mark from the waistline down to the hip line. Then bring your line down. Next thing is to cut the dress out. You can see it is very simple to cut. So you come to the waistline and cut straight up to the chest line. You cut the armhole line. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. When you get to the shoulder slope, remember we marked 1 inch, so we are going to cut the 1 inch into 2. So that will be for the seam. Come up here. Then you take it to the neckline. And here is our dress. It is simple to cut. This is it. So if you want to cut the back, all you have to do is to place the front part on top of the fabric and cut it out. If you want to attach button to it, you have to open it here by 3 inches. Have 3 inches here for the opening so that you'll be able to attach your button at the back. Then you will sew it. So it is very simple to cut. So I urge you to cut yours as well. Then after doing that, you have to take it to the machine and sew all together. Then come to the bottom and fold in 1 inch or 2 inches for the sewing. So you are going to fold it this way and sew it. You can use bias to tidy your neckline. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.